Okay, everybody, it is 2:30. See the nice oil on the top? I did take a piece of the meat, and it is fork tender. You can pull it apart, and the bone, the meat's coming right off the bone, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skim the top. Let me find a bowl. Oil off the top. And we're going to save that. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. All right, we got some of the oil from the top. I did go ahead and break apart some of the Queso Fresco cheese. You could use mozzarella. I just picked that up because, you know, why not? Okay, I am going to start pulling out some of the meat, or actually all of the meat. We want to pull this all out so we can cut it up. I'm going to leave the bones in there for now. And I will be letting this meat set to cool so I'm able to handle it. Not really trying to burn myself today. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get some of this meat chopped up. I'm not going to mess with the rib part yet because I want to try to get some of that silver skin off of it. So, go ahead. All right, we're going to put some in the bowl here. Upon review, I realized I was not recording while I was putting these together. So I gotta do another one to show y'all how to put these together. Always check your recordings, people. Flour tortilla. I am going to put a little bit of peanut oil in my pan. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna tip you down. Okay, here's the oil that I took from the crock pot. We're going to go ahead and dip this in it, get it nice and coated. I'm going to put it in the pan and we're going to let it sizzle. You make sure I'm recording. Okay, yes. So you want it on a medium-high heat. We're going to let this cook. Here's my meat in here. Queso cheese right here. I have too many utensils right here. Okay, we're going to flip this over. Going to add some meat. And note, I have already eaten, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I guess just save it for another time, I guess. I'm going to add some cheese. Going to add a little bit of the consomme to the inside. I'm just going to let that brown up. Flip it over. Press it down. And we're going to toast it. When we flip it, we'll add some more of the consommé to the other side. Okay, let's flip it over. Nice and toasty. And add a little bit of the consommé to the top. Watch for splattering. Oh guys, I am so mad that that did not record. This is all I ate off the plate. I could not finish this one. But that's how you put them together, guys. I'm going to flip this one over. I'm going to turn the heat off since I'm burning everything up. And there it is. I've got quite the cleanup. Quite a cleanup, guys. Oh, gosh. Go ahead and add it to my plate here. And there they are, guys. Birria queso tacos. Okay, guys, you can also make this just on the side if you don't want the tortillas. Go ahead and add your meat to a bowl. Put the consommé in your bowl, like this. This is also for dipping as well. So we're going to set this right here on the side. I did end up making some more of this because it was way too soft. This will go, let me move this. This will go right on the inside, guys. Right on the inside. That right there. Also add some of the onion. Go ahead and sprinkle on the top. This will also get some onion. Sprinkle on the top. And a sprinkle of cilantro all over. There it is, guys. I'm actually going to go ahead and try one of these. I just want to see how it tastes. Let's give a dip. It's pretty good with these. Okay, guys, it's like 3 o'clock. My kitchen is a disaster. So, just get my thumbnail. Here are the little tacos from the Mr. Tortilla. Here's a consommé. Let's go ahead and dip it in there. Oh, these are good. Okay. Let's try the flour tortilla one. This side's crispier. The longer they set, the softer they get. So, let's give that a try. Got a nice spice, guys. Yeah. By the way, this is the first meal today. Completed more than a 40, I need to break it now, more than 40 hours. That's so good. Was it worth all the work? Yeah, if you don't mind spending all day in the kitchen, it was worth it, if you don't mind. But yeah, here's the consommé. You can eat this just like this, guys. You don't even have to do the tacos. Just eat it like this. Ooh, hot. So good. Ooh, spicy. Got my nose running. Okay, guys. that's assembling them. I'll have to make my husband his later with the corn tortillas. But I have a lot of this, so I'll end up freezing most of it. The little bit won't eat this. She'll probably end up with chicken nuggets or something. Okay, guys, have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. I'll probably be making chicken satay and grilling them outside. So I'll see you then, guys. If you're new, please subscribe. This was amazing. If you got time, do it. If you're not new, welcome back, guys. Here's the assembly. Love you so much, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Guys, I'm such a goof. I forgot the salsa. Let's see. Oh, my nose is running so bad. Let me open this up. Let me turn you around. Okay, so here's the salsa. Let's put just a little bit in there. Let's try it with that. Oh, my nose is running bad, guys. It really doesn't make that big of a difference, to be honest. But there it is, guys. I'm about to chow down. Oh, my nose. If I can get my nose to stop running. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon.